Hello everyone, this is Sharmila from Data Semantics. Today, I'm here to walk you through the reports for social media and web analytics. Usually, the digital marketing teams face problems when they want to analyze their reach across different platforms. So here at Data Semantics, we have devised a solution that would help you analyze your reach on multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, even your web page using the data from Google Analytics. Now, if you see the screen, this report basically shows the consolidated data across three social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We have the new followers, total engagement, Facebook engagement rate, and Instagram engagement rate, all with comparison with the previous year along with the variances shown. Here in this chart, we have the total followers as a monthly trend line across both current year and the previous year. Here we have an audience across all three platforms in comparison with the previous year. And this chart shows the engagement across all three platforms with respect to the previous year. And we have the engagement rate trend across different platforms across all months. Moving on to Facebook page overview. Here we have the total page likes, new page likes, the total number of followers or the fans reached, the engaged users, the number of storytellers or the people who post, and the total dislikes on the page. We have two types of reaches and they are shown here in comparison with the previous year. We have the total page likes that are shown across on a monthly trend line in comparison with the previous years. Moving on to Facebook sentimental analysis, we see the total reactions, the total number of posts, and the average reaction per post. So we have different types of reactions. And this trend line basically shows the total reactions that we've received. And this shows the average of reactions per post that we've received as a trend line. Moving on to Instagram overview, we have the similar KPIs as in Facebook page overview for Instagram. So total followers, new reactions, engagement rate, likes and comments. And we have the trend of the followers. Then we have the engagement trend for Instagram. This is a Twitter overview report. We have the total number of followers, we have the mentions and replies, we have the tweet impressions, we have the engagement rate. Then the total number of posts by month, and we see the most popular hashtags on the Twitter account. Then we have the total followers by month, and we have the top end tweets based on engagement. Moving on to Twitter text analysis. We have the positive sentiment, neutral sentiment, and negative sentiment. So we switch across this, we find the values. So we'll, similar to what we saw on the Facebook text analytics page. Now let us look at the web analytics. So basically we keep track of the sessions, the number of new users, the new sessions, and the page views. Then we have page views or sessions. We have average duration for the sessions. And this shows the website overview per month. So the last sheet of our report, Google Analytics website overview, about us. And we have the current year and last year values of how many engagements have happened on the web page and the variance. And we have top in technology reviews, basically showing the reviews across different technologies that we have, and the current year and present year comparison of our products, Exalytics, Predicto, and Media. And that brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you.